Hey everyone, welcome back. This right here is the 2027 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. And trust me, this isn't your average Mustang. Wrapped in this stunning deep metallic blue, wearing the GT350 plate that says it all, this thing is rumored to be the most insane Shelby Ford has ever built. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why the internet can't stop talking about it. Quick heads up before we dive in. Ford hasn't officially confirmed final specs yet, so what you're seeing is built around the strongest leaks and rumors out there right now. But even as speculation, this thing sounds absolutely wild. Let's start with the design. Rumors point to a wider, more aggressive front fascia with active grille shutters that open up under hard driving for maximum cooling. The hood gets a functional carbon fiber vent, not a sticker, an actual heat extraction channel, hinting at what's breathing underneath. The signature tri-bar LED headlights are expected to return too, now with sequential startup animations that have already gone viral in spy shots. Side profile, the body is rumored to be widened at the hips for a more aggressive track stance, with aero-sculpted rocker panels channeling air efficiently toward the rear diffuser. Out back, an optional carbon fiber gurney flap spoiler, functional. Quad exhaust tips and a working diffuser complete the look. Nothing here is just decorative. Every line is rumored to be doing a job. Now here's the number that's got everyone talking. Under the hood sits a reworked 5.2-liter flat-plane crank V8, this time paired with a compact electric motor for instant torque fill. No turbo lag, because there's no turbo. No hesitation, because the electric motor closes that gap instantly. Combined output is rumored at around 750 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque, with 0-60 estimates in the low 3-second range, and a top speed pushing past 205 mph on the track package. Inside, expect Recaro-derived sport buckets wrapped in suede, microfiber and leather, a flat-bottom Alcantara steering wheel with illuminated paddle shifters, and ambient lighting that shifts with drive mode, blue for comfort, red for track. There's even talk of a performance AI co-pilot that learns your driving style and adjusts throttle mapping, suspension stiffness, and steering weight in real time. Carbon ceramic brakes are rumored to be standard across the lineup, not an option, along with a torque vectoring rear differential and adaptive magnetic ride control that reads the road 1,000 times per second. If these rumors hold true, pricing is expected to start around $74,000, climbing to roughly $92,000 for the fully loaded track edition, putting this GT350 well below rivals like the BMW M4 or Porsche 911 GT3, while chasing genuinely supercar-level numbers. So, if even half of this turns out real, would you take this rumored hybrid GT350 over a German rival? Drop your prediction in the comments below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it when Ford finally confirms the real thing. Thanks for watching.